We're very excited to be presenting this 1965 Porsche 911, a very early 911. This comes with two engines, the original 901 ready to be built and a freshened 2.4 that's in the car right now. Let's have a listen. This is chassis number 301517 and can be enjoyed as it is or is a great candidate for a full restoration. This very early 911 was purchased new out of Berkeley, California, and was with a long-term owner since the early 1980s. Again, this is a great car to drive as is or to go through a full restoration. This is a very special 911.